All right, so this problem here, guys, comes out of 10.2, and it is, give me one second. It looks like it's number 7, and it says the number of people reading mysteries in different age groups in a survey is depicted in the accompanying bar graph. Explain whether or not you think the graph is accurate and why. Okay, so we have our bar graph here. Get my pen. Okay, we got our bar graph right here. And we have people in their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, okay? And what they're actually asking us to do is if you look at this part of the graph right here, we have people in their 70s, 80s, and 90s. All these people are reading mysteries, and for people in a little bit of a younger age group, 40s, 50s, and 60s, there's hardly anyone. So the question says the data, we're asked to look at the choices A, B, C, D and figure out, which one serves to kind of be the best. And it says the data is probably suspect. The high number of mystery readers in the older age groups may mean that the survey was taken at a home for the aging, which would be biased. The data is definitely suspect. The number of mystery readers by age should remain constant. The data is probably suspect. The number of mystery readers in their 40s should be higher than those in the 80s and 90s. And then it says there's no reason to assume that the data are inaccurate. Okay, so the question is, why would there be more people in the 70s, 80s, and 90s reading mysteries or whatever particular genre they're talking about, right? And there really shouldn't be. It's not like people in a certain age group read something more than a different age group. Okay, that should be something that's constant. So the choice here that I would pick would be A, because it does seem like they might have done this in a home, like a retirement home, because this happens to be the biggest number, right? People in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, all right? So that would be my choice.